Alright. We're going to head over to Marguerite. And we need water. There might be... No, there should be water there. Because she's got a greenhouse. It's literally a greenhouse. I don't think we're going to need water. You never know, we could. Now, I'm pretty sure there is a Leviathan next to it. If I recall, I remember PK having a Leviathan like right on top of it. Because I remember trying to go through that on one side. Not too big. But what I do know is that 13 PK. I remember, because you get PK so early. It's crazy how early. Like, they send it to you, like, right as you start looking. Yeah, they give it to you literally right away. Gotta stick to the surface. I don't know why we didn't get like a brochure over there. Save it.
And nearby iceberg detected, a hollow chamber typically formed by glacial melt.
The biome is so cool. There better not be any more Leviathans at the front. Oh. Yo, what is this thing? Friendly. Let's peek. These Reaper bones? Peppers. So this biome is actually kind of cool. There it is. Oh, it was nearby. We're going inside. Is there anything I can scan
satellite hasn't passed by in a while. I guess that was your doing.
Sam's not the only one in the family who knew what to do with vague directions in old wire.
She was an original, that sister of yours. First time I met her, I was sure she was Altera through and through. Not a crease in her uniform. Sending those damn bird bots to spy everywhere. Then, she surprised me. Maybe a little too much.
Meaning?
If you really want to know, there's a PDA on the bench that can point you in the right direction. You need anything else? Don't bother me. But you can help yourself with the greenhouse. Least I can do to repay you for getting those spine pests off my back.
Sweet. Speakers.
You can look all you want. There's more to Marguerite than any damn fangled gadget can see.
Gassy.
All right, Marge, old girl. We hate this greenhouse, so here are some pointers to remember so we never have to do the worst parts again. Too bad you can't fight malnutrition by hunting it down and killing it. So, first thing, insulation. First few nights the soil was rock solid. Ended up having to insulate the damn place with dehydrated kelp. Adding a thermal mass helped too. Heat from barrels of water. Probably should have just eaten the damned kelp. But nope, my body was craving a salad. Wish I was just made of exosuit. Next, grow lights were a must-have. Gotta admit, I felt pretty proud of my first full crop of lettuce. Fed half of it to Preston. That snowstalker will eat practically anything. Always spits half of it out, though. Another thing we have in common. The slobbery green mess makes good compost.
I've already synthesized an antidote and stashed it in a cave. I can go grab it and...
That's your plan?
You don't think it'll work?
You're thinking too small. Like maybe if you're polite enough about destroying the bacteria, Altera will come around and see it your way. But do you believe in yourself or not?
I think so.
You think so? Come on. Is the bacteria a threat, or isn't it?
It is.
Does it need to be dealt with or not?
It does.
So who's right on this?
I am.
Say it like you mean it.
I am.
I said like you mean it, not like you're testifying before a rigged transgov court.
I am.
Great. Then what you gotta do is seal off the whole cave. I've got just the stuff. Made it for fishing, but it blew the whole ice shelf halfway to deep space. Vaporized all the fish.
Okay.
And you gotta hit the lab too, or there's just no point. Actually, you know what? Let me take care of that one. It'll be fun.
Wait, did they sabotage her? Green over there. Oh, look, it was green.
With this artifact, I am again able to trace the imprint of my people. They survived for a time, but then their presence becomes
I
faint.
have power still. Alright. This is gonna be hard. We're gonna turn it to day here. And I made the day for you guys to see, because I know YouTube kind of sucks with their stuff. We're gonna. Let's see, we're gonna go down here. He's looking at stuff. Oh, he's looking at me, he's looking at me, he's looking at me, he's looking at me, he's looking at me. Go away. Go away, go away. No, go away, not just straight towards the ground. Roll.
An active volcano detected nearby.
Little guy.
This site is one of some significance. Its data will assist us on our quest.
Good to know you can 3-shot us. Fun. It's 1 degree Celsius apparently, right? that bad. Yeah, they're definitely scary, but okay, I gotta look at. Bro, he's trying to take me down to the Leviathan. He's trying to take me down to the Leviathan. He's trying to kill me. Alright, let's make our way back over now. I'm like here.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
This guy just get like right up to my base. And that's what it is. Alright, let's go drop off our inventory here. Isn't there 4 actually for an internal plant? It is. Bed. Sweet, alright. Well, that's gonna do it for today's episode. Next episode, we're gonna go on land. So we're gonna bring a bunch of base items, because, yeah, I want to bring a base items. So, yeah, make sure to like, subscribe. See y'all next episode. Goodbye.